Hi guys, Helga's from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking Homestead. And today I'm going to make something really simple, really easy, only a few ingredients. And that's a simple potato salad. This is actually Mike's mom's potato salad. Well, almost Mike's mom's potato salad. I had to make it my own and add bacon because, you know, everything's better with bacon. So, but it really does, you know, just make it like perfect. But it was awfully good before the bacon. This is not the PA Dutch German potato salad. We'll do another video on that. PA Dutch German potato salads is very common in this area. But this is a nice easy one, only a few ingredients, really simple to make. I let it sit overnight so all the flavors incorporate. It always tastes better the next day after it's sat overnight and been chilled. So we'll get to it. So you want to make components to potato salad is potatoes. These are diced up, like half-inch size, and I do them till they're just tender, boil them till they're just tender, then I take them off, drain off the hot water, and then put it in cold water so they don't keep cooking and get too mushy, so they hold their, you know, cubey shape here for the salad. Plus you want them cooled off so the mayo and stuff doesn't totally soak into it and make them even mushier. And then of course bacon. You gotta have good bacon footage. Bacon. Now we're gonna assemble the potato salad. The first thing I'll do is dump in my taters. There we go. And I have a confession to make. Of all the ways to make potatoes, and I love potatoes, but of all the ways to eat potatoes, this is my least favorite way, is potato salad. But I still make it for everybody else. I also wanted to show you, I want you to see the good quality that this bacon is. Let's see here. See how meaty it is? You know, that's the difference between getting from your local butcher and, you know, the Oscar Mayer stuff at the store. But I mean, not everybody has access to that. Oddly enough, up where my mom is, there really aren't any good butchers and stuff. You know, you're reliant on somebody private doing it for you or whatever you can get at the store. So I normally stop at Mossers or Irish Isle Provisions or Bungies around here, which are all good places. And like Mossers meats, they actually have their own farms. It's all the stuff that they've raised pretty much themselves. So, I mean, it's hard to beat that, much more local than that. So, normally, like, instead of getting Mom a Easter flour this year or goodie basket, she got a meat basket with scrapple and pork chops and bacon and, well, I hate liver, but she loves it, so got that for her, and she was very, very happy with that. But and you know, you can even tell the difference in the fat because I save the fat to cook with, and you can even tell the difference in that. The stuff from the store, it's not as clear, and it doesn't solidify up like the real bacon fat does, which, you know, solidifies up more like lard would. So big difference. Ingredients matter. I always keep saying that, but it's really true. Ingredients do matter. All right. So I had like 8 pieces of bacon there. You can see there. I have 1 big onion, and I'm not going to say diced. I'm going to say minced. This is really fine. You want to make this really fine. You don't want it to be too big. It makes a difference. It just makes a difference in how it eats and with the crunch. That's all I can tell you. And believe me, the family gives feedback on this if you don't get it right. So it does make a difference. Some hard-boiled egg. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs here. And then I'm going to dump a bunch of pepper in. And then I'm going to add the mayo. Now this is a big batch because this is going for a family dinner. I'm going to have to approximate here on my mayo. It was 6 ribs of celery. I'm just going to start working this in. You want to fold it in because you don't want to mush the potatoes if you can help it. But you want to get everything, you know, coated. Get it all incorporated. And like I said, I will chill this overnight and then serve it tomorrow. And yeah, it's gonna be good stuff. Really brings the flavor through it. Okay, it's all mixed in. You see what it looks like? Bits of bacon and celery and onion and hard-boiled egg and some pepper. Normally I don't add much for salt, just because we watch our salt content here, but also because the bacon will give it natural salt. Taste test time. This is just a glimpse of it up close, and it's actually really good. So, that's Mike's mom's potato salad. Easy, always a winner. The bacon really does add something to it. I think it's really good. Now, my mom always made her potato salad. She used Miracle Whip and added mustard, spicy mustard, and I really like it that way. But this is good too, and you can't go wrong with the bacon. So, that's the easy potato salad, our family's potato salad. If you like this vid and like what you saw, please like and subscribe. And join me next time here with Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking and Homestead. Bye.